Friends, hello everyone. This is Roman Kornov. I have several expert advisors. You can get my expert advisors for free if you open an account with my broker. The link to the broker is below the video in the description. So, let's get to the point. How to install an expert advisor. All expert advisors are located in the Metatrader data directory. Go to the file menu, open the data directory, then go to the MQL4 folder. Here is the experts folder and insert it here. Close the folder, reload the terminal, or simply in the Expert Advisors section, right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. Close it, open it, there is our Expert Advisor. Then left-click on Expert Advisor, drag it to the chart and set the settings. The Expert Advisor must be installed. You need to click the Auto Trade button here. Otherwise, the Expert Advisor will not work. Also, in the right corner, we see the name of the expert advisor and a smiley face, which is sad now. Click the button and the smiley face becomes smiling, which signals that it is ready to work. That's it. Your expert advisor is installed. It is working. In order to change the settings, you can right-click on the chart. Here appears the menu item Expert Advisors, and you can click on Properties. We enter the settings of the Expert Advisor and edit. If you want to temporarily stop the work of the Expert Advisor, you can click the Auto Trade button and it will deactivate the Expert Advisor. And in general, all the Expert Advisors that are currently installed in the terminal. If you want to remove an Expert Advisor from the chart, right-click on Expert Advisors Delete. That's it. Your EA is deleted and you can continue trading manually. If this video was useful, share it with your friends, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Bye everyone, see you soon, trade with pleasure.